Right, put the head steady on. Oh, I forgot my big washer. 2 spacers first. Yeah, spacers. Right. Put it sideways, turn it round and drop it on. One under here. Actually, I should have put this on before I put the carburetors on. It would have been easier. It certainly would have been. Oh. Yes, before I put the rocker cover on. Oh, useless sod. Let's try and mute that hand. And the little flappy lock nut thing up there doesn't make life any easier. At last. And washer, spring washer, nut. Washer, spring washer, nut. And then give everything a nip up. Oh, you know when you get your spanner stuck. God, everything's in the way. I like the feel of that. I think I've stripped that now. Ah. Yes, that stud's a bit iffy. I put a new nut on it before. I think the stud's gone. Oh, looks like another bit. Tear over the top of them cables. Oops. Nice. Right, I've took that off. I'm putting that pipe underneath. It's just a better fit. It doesn't have them so tight. Right, that. Yes, the stud's stripped. So, yeah, just to see if I can get it a bit better. Till I get a new stud, I'm going to take the spring washer off. Might have a bit better thread at the bottom. Yeah, it's baldy that. So yeah, might get it a bit. Might be a bit of thread left at the bottom, hopefully. I'd rather have it gripping a bit. Yeah, right on the limit that. Right. Right, I shoved my exhaust on last night. Oh, look at that, I melted my trousers last time. I'll have to get that off somehow. Yeah, I put my exhaust on, you've seen us do that before a dozen times. So, what next? Put my tank on and alter the timing. Right. Just making sure all my cables are in, splitters and what have you. Right. Hang on, tank brace. Oh, I usually have my clutch cable on the outside. Seems alright. Looks a bit neater inside. Tank's on, pipes are on. Let's turn my petrol on, see if we've got any leaks. Looks good. Yeah, I might even give it a clean. And clean it for youngs. Yeah. Yeah, see if you're alright. Right, I'm going to move the rotor on my boiler. Right, just whip the cap off. Gasket off. Right, as you can see, I've run out of slot. So what I'm going to do is get one of my dots to line up with the hole. Which is there. Hopefully you can see it. See if I can zoom in a bit. If it will focus. Oh, even worse, moving everything. Ugh. Let's start again. Right, can we see the dot through the hole? Well, I can. So, right, dot through the hole. So right now my dot's lined up with my hole, so I know the timing's set as standardish to where it is now. So I can, as long as I don't move the engine, all I have to do is I want to move the rotor. I'll have to take this off so I can get my little puller out. Now hopefully I won't move the engine. I'm just going to put a little mark there, just so I know where that is. Right. Out with the bolt. In with me little doody. still there. Right, now I've got that off. Right, put that back in where it was. I'm going to keep the same magnet down. That's where it was set. Put my screw back in. So I can still move that. Put my rotor back in, put my stator back in. So I want that in about the middle of the slot now. Just put that in to hold it about there. Right, so I got myself a skewer eventually. So I've moved my stator to the middle of the slot, and I'm just going to move the rotor so my dot's lined up again. And nip it up. Right, my dot's lined up with me all, so my timing now is set as it was, but I've got some adjustment now on the rotor. So now what I'm going to do, although I'm sure it'll be too advanced, I'm going to strobe the timing. So I'll just nip this up temporarily. Right. Right. Right, so I've lined my dot up on the other side and got my adjustment back. Right, hang on, I need a bigger screw. Right. Come off, you bugger. Oh, do you mean this stuck on well? Spinner. Oh, wrong one. Not stuck on well this time. There you go. Knackered my gasket. Right, got my strobe set up. I'm going to tape the trigger in. Got my battery. Obviously the camera is not going to be in the right place, so the line will probably look off centre. There's my pointer, and there's my line. So if I can get this to work, we might see what I'm doing. Right, I'm going to fire it up and warm it up a little bit, I think, and then I'll strobe it. Right, might have a bit of a problem starting it, seeing I've just ground the valves. We'll see. Tickle. Ignition. We have a light. Right. Got full choke on. Let's see what happens. Right, this side, carburettor I think. Anyway, strobe the time. Petrol off for a minute. Said before, it's customary to work on number 1 side, which is this side. One day I'm going to make a thing up fitting in it properly. Oh, it's not going to go in. Right, that'll do. Right, go around this side. I'm going to be revving it to about, I don't know, 3.5, 4,000 RPM. So just connect my battery to my strobe light. It's taped in. So right, let's have a look, see what happens. And I'll be turning the rotor on the other side Either way, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Right, let's see what happens. That'll do, I've just nicked it up. Start it up, double check again. Right. So my line's lined up. Well, my lines are lined up and I'm about in the middle of my slot. So now it's carburetors. Yes, I hope this was in focus enough. Make me little one. I'll do, just see if I've got another gasket.